Hey guys, welcome back with me again. And on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the CapCut Pro for free. So if you want to enjoy the CapCut Pro features, but you don't want to spend a dime, you just want to have it for free, you can follow my secrets ways in here. So what you need to do is just invite your friends by clicking on this buttons right here. Will be invite friends button, and this box will pop up. So in here, you'll see what you need to do to get the Canva Pro for free. So what you need to do is just invite friends to get the free Pro. For each friend that install and launches CapCut Desktop from your invite link, you will both get a 7-day free Pro. So if you don't want to invite your friends, you might be just enter the referral code. Maybe you just need to enter the CapCut or launch CapCut from your friends invite links, or so you both get a 7-day free Pro. So here you can enjoy the Pro benefits on mobile and also desktop, and you can get up to 70 days of free Pro by inviting 10 friends. And here you can see how many days of Pro you've got and how many friends you've invited. So the next step that you need to do is just click on this copy invite link, and then you can just inform your friends and share the links and ask them to download, install, and launch CapCut on desktop from your invite links in here. And after that, you'll get the free Pro. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.